Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ProSeries Tax for Deductions workflow easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download ProSeries Tax, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Intuit ProSeries website URL. Once the site loads, locate the Downloads or Products section on the homepage. Click on that section to explore the available software options. Look for ProSeries Tax in the list and select it. You will be directed to a new page that details the features and benefits of ProSeries Tax. Scroll down to find the Download or Get Started button. Click on that button to initiate the download process. A prompt may appear, asking you to choose your version of ProSeries Tax. Select the one that fits your needs best, then confirm your choice. The download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded ProSeries Tax installation file. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. You may need to accept the terms and conditions to proceed. The installation wizard will guide you through the necessary steps. After the installation is complete, launch ProSeries Tax from your desktop or Start menu. Create an account if prompted, or log in with your existing credentials. Familiarize yourself with the interface to optimize your deduction workflow. You are now ready to use ProSeries Tax for your deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.